project
No,
here.
this is mine.
Cut.
No,
Cut.
no, no.
Cut this.
Hi, everyone. Look to. And the plants. Look to.
And today we're gonna perform the balloon experiment. Okay, the balloon rocket experiment. So today we're gonna explain the balanced and unbalanced forces with the experiment. Okay, so down. We're gonna need 2 balloons, 1 scissors, a 1.5 meter string, and duct tape. We also need straw and cut it in 2 inches. Okay, so here's the procedure. First, we're gonna cut a portion of the drinking straw, that's the drinking straw, at least 2 inches long. Make 2 of these, 1 for each balloon. Okay? The next one is thread the string through the straw. So, through the straw, that means we're gonna put it inside. Next, you're going to tie one on the end, string tightly to a sturdy chair. Yeah, look what happened to our tape. Okay, anyways. And the other one to another furniture. So we're using 2 chairs. You can do 1 in a chair and 1 in another furniture type. I don't know. Okay. Next, locate it at the other side of your room. So, like that. Make sure that the string is straight, tight, and not sagging. And the length is at least 4 feet. So, it's at least 4 feet. This is like 5 or 6 feet. And just make it straight because we don't want it to be soggy. So I'm going to push it a little. Okay, there. That is the setup. Okay, so now this is the second procedure. Inflate your balloons and pinch the opening so that the air inside will not escape. So here are my 2 balloons. Oh, the other one fell. It's right there. Okay, anyways. And then do not tie permanently. Close the opening of the balloon. Ask somebody to help fold one of the balloons. Then attach the balloons to the straw right there. That's the 2 inches of straw. That's why we have 2. And then after that, you're just gonna put scotch tape and position the balloons at the center of the string. The head of the balloon should be face each other. So now here is our blowing balloon thingy. Yeah. Okay, now we're gonna blow up the balloons. So 2 of the balloons. We're gonna make sure it's the same size. So maybe later we might change it because it might not be the same shape. So here it goes. Oh, okay. Okay. So, here's the first balloon. It's really small because, yeah. Here. So, my assistant's gonna hold it for me. Okay. Now, we're gonna do the second balloon and we're gonna try to make it the same shape. So, my assistant, he's gonna hold it to make sure we have the same shape. But if it doesn't have the same shape, maybe later on we'll fix it. So this one seems a bit rounder. Oh, okay. Here, it keeps on going. Okay, so they have the same shape. We'll just let go of some of the air. That's good enough. Okay, so now let's start with the procedure or the first part. So, this is part A of the whole thing. So we stuck the balloons to the straw like that. Make it facing each other so we pinch this part. So me and my brother, so this is part A. So it's the same size as the other balloon. So let's see what happens. Okay, Lance. Okay. We're gonna let go in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. So as you can see, it didn't move so much. It was just here. And later I will be explaining that. Let's go to part B. Hooray! Okay everyone, so this time we're gonna make 1 balloon small and 1 balloon bigger than the other. And let's see what happens. So here goes the blowing again. Okay.
Oh dear.
So here's the pink one. We're gonna make it small. Okay, that's small here. Now we're gonna go ahead and get the yellow one. These are the same balloons and make this one bigger. Oh, okay. Oopsies. Now we're gonna stick them to the thing again. Okay, so now this balloon is really small and this one's really big. So we're gonna put it together in the middle. So we already tied it like before, and we're gonna face it to each other. So the pinch part is supposed to go out. So let's see what happens. So in 3, 2, 1, go. Oh, as you can see, it moved here. Unlike the other one, it just went here. So now I'll be explaining to you why is this. So the first part, part A, where the balloons were big enough, both of them were equal size. So that means equal. Those were examples of balanced forces. And those balanced forces, since the balloons were equal, they had the same shape, same size. Okay, so that fell. For part B, for part B, it was an example of unbalanced forces. So one balloon was too small enough for the other one. So the other one at least had more Newton. So that Newton pushes the balloon to this side, of the course. But the equal one, part A, had the same Newton. For example, 11 Newton and 11 Newton. And that's why it's balanced forces. So now, today we have learned about balanced forces and unbalanced forces. Q&A time! Woo! Okay, go. Question.
How does unbalanced and balanced force affect our lives?
Answer. Balanced and unbalanced forces affect our lives like when we're pushing crates or pushing a cart. So there's Newton, which it's the forces pull and push. So when we're pulling a cart, it gets heavier because of the things or food you put, the supplies that we put inside. So it can get heavier and heavier. But if it's, for example, so there's like, in a cart, there's an upper level here and a downer level. And you keep the space blank. For example, I put so many bottles in this level. There's nothing here. And in this part, where the upper level is, I put many vegetables. So, many vegetables, but here, more canned sodas. It's heavier than the many vegetables I put. So, that is called unbalanced forces. So, like, this side is heavier, and this side is not heavier. So, sometimes, the cart, here it's lower sometimes. Like, it pushes more weight down, while this doesn't. So when we push a cart, it gets really heavy. But if you put a lot and it's all balanced on the cart, like there's some here, but like for example, 2 cans, 2 cans, 2 cans. That can be balanced forces. So when you push the cart, it seems like, oh, it's a bit like lighter, but it's also heavier because it's all balanced. So when you push the cart, it's fine. So that's also called Newton. So thanks for watching, and maybe next time we have more experiments. Time for the bloopers. Okay, here are the balloons. Ow! Okay. Ow! That's gonna break. To use the pen.